Hey guys, welcome to this quick tutorial where we'll explain how you can use the HTTP request node in N8n first. Open your workflow in N8n and add a new node. From the list, select HTTP request. This node allows you to send GET, POST, PUT, or DELETE requests directly from your workflow. Let's start with a simple example. In the HTTP request settings, enter the URL of the API endpoint you want to call. By default, the method is set to GET, which means it will fetch data. If you want to send data, you can switch it to POST and add the required body parameters. You can also pass headers, like authentication tokens or content type, by going into the Headers section. Similarly, query parameters can be added in the Query Parameters field. Once everything is set, click Execute Node and you'll instantly see the response returned by the API. This response can then be passed to other nodes in your workflow for further automation. And that's it. With the HTTP request node, you can connect N8n to almost any tool or service that has an API. Making your workflows truly limitless. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe.